Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about uh, table by using Vinculum method. Table means we have been given a number, means one number it is given to us and we are going to find the table. First of all, we need to recall Vinculum method. Suppose a number is given like 38 and the condition is, see, the condition is like the number must be nearest to 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80 or like this. Okay. Now you can find the vinculum of this number 4. Previous number will be increased by 1 and 8 complement is 2, but bar we need to keep. Okay. Now see what is the method involved to find the table of a number. See, if the end digit is 9, if the end digit of any number is 9, that is very easy. Suppose you are going to find the table of 29. 29 given. So 3 1 bar it is. Now first write 29. Now in each step you have to add 3. That means 2 plus 3, that is 5. And 9 plus minus this 1. 31, 3 1. 3 will be added to here tens place and 1 will be added to 9. 1 bar will be added to unit place. So 1 bar is what? Minus 1, 8. Thereafter 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 plus 1 bar, that is 7. Then 8 plus 3, 11. Then 7 plus 1 bar, means 7 minus 1, that is 6. Now 11 plus 3, that is 14. Then 6 plus 1 bar, that is 5. Now 14 plus 3, that is 17. Now 5 plus 1 bar, that is 4. Now 17 plus 3, that is 20. Then 4 plus 1 bar, that is 3. Now 20 plus 3, that is 23. 3 plus 1 bar, that is 2. Now 23 plus 3, that is 26. 2 plus 1 bar, that is 1. Now 26 plus 3, that is 29. And 1 plus 1 bar, that is 0. Now this is the table. You got the table. This is the table. 29, 58, 87, 116, 145, 174, 203, 232, 261 and 290. So what I have done, the first step is step 1, find vinculum of the number. Find vinculum of the number. Step 2, add tens to tens and ones to ones and ones to ones. That means this tens will be added to tens and ones will be added to ones. Okay. Take the screenshot so that it will be easy for you to understand. One more number will do so that it will be easy for you to do. Suppose 59 it is given. A number 59. 59. Now 59 can be written as 59 can be written in the form of 6 1 bar. Now what you have to do, 59, first the number itself you have to write. Okay. Now this is 6 and this is minus 1. So 5 plus 6, how much it will be? 11. And 9 minus 1, that is 8. Then 11 plus 6, 17. 8 minus 1, 7. 17 plus 6, 23. 7 minus 1, 6. Then 23 plus 6, 29, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. Then 29 plus 6, 35. Then 5 minus 1, 4. 35 plus 6, 41. 4 minus 1, 3. Then 41 plus 6, 47. 3 minus 1, 2. 47 plus 6, 53. 2 minus 1, 1. 53 plus 6, 59. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the table of 59. This is the table of 59. So in this way you can do. The right side means the unit place of the number which you have to take, that one you have to subtract from the unit digit. Okay, always. This is easy in case if the end digit is 9. When it is 8, then little changes will be there, or 7. That one also will do. So first see this. Tens place will be added to tens place of this and unit place. First the original number means the number which is given to you, that one you have to write. Which number is given to you, that one you have to write. Write the number given to you. Okay. First that one you have to write. Thereafter this step you have to follow. In each you have to add 6. In each you have to subtract 1 because this is 1 bar. Okay. Now some more will do. End digit 8 and end digit 7. Okay. Suppose it is given that 68. 68 can be written in the form of 72 bar. Okay. So first what I will do? First I write 68, right? Then here 7 I am having 6 plus 7 13, but 8 minus 2, 2 bar I am having. See, 8 minus 2 6, 13 plus 7 20, 6 minus 2 4, 20 plus 7 27, 4 minus 2 2, 27 plus 7 34, 2 minus 2 0. Now from here little changes will find. 34 plus 7 41, 0 minus 2, this is 2 bar. 0 minus 2, this is 2 bar. So this 412, how you have to write? 408. As because you have to convert this. Suppose 412 bar it is given to us. 4, this number will be decreased by 1, 1 minus 1 0, and to complement 8 we have to write 408. So like this you have to do. Thereafter 408 means 40 plus 7. Don't consider this number. 40 plus 7. That means 47. 8 minus 2 6. 47 plus 7. That is 54. 6 minus 2 4. Then 54 plus 7. 61. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 61 plus 7, 68. Then 2 minus 2, 0. When you are getting second 0, here we got first zeros. Where you are getting second 0, that is the end. Okay. In case of end digit 8, here the end digit is 8, not 9. Clear? So in fifth step what we got? In sixth step what we got? 0 minus 2 means there 2 bar you have to write. It's because we know that we can subtract, but we have to mention a bar above it. It's because it is negative. Okay. So thereafter you have to convert this number 412 converted to 408. Like how you devinculate a number. Okay. So 408. Thereafter again from 40 you have to add 7. 47. 8 minus 2 6. Thereafter again 47 plus 7, and the process will continue. 54, 6 minus 2, that is 4, and you will get the table of 68. One more number will do. Let it be 38. Let it be 38. 38. 38 can be written as 4 2 bar. Now first I have to write 38, then 3 plus 4 7, 8 minus 2 6, 7 plus 4 11, 6 minus 2 4, 11 plus 4 15, 4 minus 2 2, 15 plus 4 19, 2 minus 2 0. Okay. Now 19 plus 4 23 and 0 minus 2 2 bar. Now you have to devinculate this number. Whenever number like this is coming, you have to devinculate this number. 2 2 and thereafter 2 complement, that is 8. Now consider this 22. 22 plus 4, that is 26. 8 minus 2, that is 6. Thereafter 26 plus 4 30. 6 minus 2 4. 30 plus 4 34. 4 minus 2 2. And 34 plus 4 38. And 2 minus 2 0. This is the table of 38. One thing you do previously, how I have done, do by using that, means write all the numbers so that it will be easy for you to understand. Otherwise, if any calculation mistake will be there, then you may face error. Okay, so this is a table of 38. Now 7 1 we will do. If the end digit of any number is 7, then how to find? The method is same only, nothing will change. Okay. Suppose it is given that 47, a number is given to you, that is 47, can be written as 5 3 bar. Okay, 5 3 bar. Now what I have to do? 47 first I have to write. Now 4 plus 5, that is 9. 7 minus 3, here 3 bar. 7 minus 3, that is 4. 9 plus 5, that is 14. And 4 minus 3, that is 1. This is 14 1. Then 14 plus 5 19. 1 minus 3 2 bar. Now you have to devinculate this number. This is 188. You devinculate this number 188. Now consider this 18. 18 plus 5, that is 23. And 8 minus 3, that is 5. Okay. Then 23 plus 5, that is 28. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now 28 plus 5, that is how much? 33. But 2 minus 3 is 1 bar. Now what I have to do? I have to devinculate this number again. 3 2 9. Now 32 I have to consider. 32 plus 5 37. 9 minus 3 6. 37 plus 5 42. 6 minus 3 3. 42 plus 5 47. And 3 minus 3, that is 0. So this is the table of 47. Remember one thing, you don't need to consider the numbers which are of bar. You need to take this number always. Whenever you devinculate this number, means 192 devinculated to 188, 331 bar, 331 bar devinculated to 329. So consider always the number 47, 94, 141, thereafter 188, thereafter 235, 282, again 329, 376, 423, 470. So these are the 10 numbers of 47 table. Clear? One more number of and digit 7 I will do. So first, same method, tens place will be added to tens place and unit place will be subtracted from unit place only. Each step you have to follow the same. Here 5 3, 5 will be added in each step and 3 will be subtracted in each step. Clear? Now one more number, let it be 77. 77 table we are going to find. Let's say 77. 77 means what? 83 bar. Now in each step you have to add 8 to the tens place and you have to subtract 3 from the unit place. First write the number 77. Okay. Now 7 plus 8 15. 7 minus 3 4. 15 plus 8 23, 4 minus 3 1, 23 plus 8 31, but 1 minus 3 2 bar here coming, 312, 312 is coming, so it will be converted to 308, 308. Okay, so again devinculation of number 3, this number will be decreased by 1, and to complement is 8, 308. That one you have learned earlier. Okay, now you have to consider this 30. Always remember this thing: 30 plus 8, 38, 8 minus 3 5, 38 plus 8 46, 5 minus 3 2, 46 plus 8 54, 2 minus 3 1 bar, again bar is coming. Now it is converted to 539. Now take this 53, 53 plus 8 61, 9 minus 3 6, 61 plus 8 69, 6 minus 3 3, 69 plus 8 77, and 3 minus 3 0. Now this is the table, this is the table of 77. Okay, now again you have to take this value, you don't need to consider Vinculum numbers. Okay, so whenever negative 1 minus 3 is coming, so 2 bar, 2 minus 3 is coming, by how much 3 is greater than 2, by how much 3 is greater than 1, that number you have to write, and you have to put a bar above that. And after that, as because this contains vinculum, then you have to convert, or you have to devinculate the number 308, and you have to follow the same process. Whenever vinculum number is coming, you have to devinculate the number, and you have to what, follow the process, same process. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope after watching this video you will be able to understand, and if you are good at this, or you understand the video, write the table of 88. Okay, or you can find 86 also by using this method. Try your own. You can find 86 table also by using this method. So thank you for watching.